Yeah, welcome back to my channel. In the previous tutorial we talked about advantages and disadvantages of one of the measures of central tendencies, which is mean. But in this tutorial we're going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of median. One of the major advantages of median is that it is not affected by extreme value, unlike the mean value. What is this extreme value? Extreme value is the outlier. The outlier, I've explained it in the previous tutorial, is the number that's completely different from the rest data. So in the case of median, this extreme value cannot affect its output. Then the second advantage of median, it may be found in a group data even if the distribution is open at either ends. In case of highly skewed distribution, it is more representative of the original data set than arithmetic mean. These are the major advantages that we can find in the median. When we now want to talk further about the disadvantages of median, we can see that it has about 3 disadvantages. Number 1, it is tedious to arrange observation since it involved sorting either in ascending order or descending order. That is, for example, if you have a data like 100 sample, you want to sort it in ascending order without making use of either Excel or other sorting software. It's going to create a big challenge to arrange the data in either ascending or descending order. It is unstable for mathematical manipulation. Unlike the mean can be used to conduct various analysis in terms of finding the standard deviation, variance, even z-score means very applicable, but the median is very limited in application. Thirdly, it does not take into account all items in the data set, unlike the mean, which took account of all the data set, but median just take account of either 2 as the median, 2 number as the median, or 1 as its median. For this tutorial, if you find this tutorial interesting, ensure to subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I release a new video of this kind. Then like my channel, drop the comment in the comment section below in any area that you want me to improve or conduct another tutorial. Thank you very much.